We're metal guys. We do it all. But to expand our capabilities, we added the ProX 300 Direct Metal 3D printer. Now we 3D print fully dense end-use metal parts. The ProX 300, it's an alternative to traditional metal manufacturing. In days rather than weeks, the ProX 300 delivers tolerances of 20 microns and superior surface finish at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. We can meet clients' exact specifications with a range of metals and ceramics, and because the ProX 300 minimizes material waste, our prices stay competitive. The ProX 300 helps us forge a whole new service offering. That's how we stay on top. That's how we manufacture the future.